Children, before you start riding a bicycle, you have to learn how to balance it well, right? Once you have learned to balance it well, you can have a smooth and successful ride. Well, our bodies also have to be balanced well with the food we eat so that we can lead a successful and healthy life. How can you do it? By having a balanced diet every day. A balanced diet is one that contains all the essential nutrients in sufficient proportions required for the proper and healthy functioning of our body. The amount of nutrient intake may differ from person to person, but the 7 essential components of a balanced diet remain the same for all of us. Let us discuss now these 7 important components that you must include in your everyday diet. Protein. Its main function is to build, maintain, and repair new and old body tissues. Our body is capable of making 14 protein types, but 8 more types of protein, called amino acids, are required for the proper functioning of body tissues, which is obtained from eating foods such as fish, eggs, meat, cheese, soya, pulses, and beans. On an average daily basis, you should consume 15 to 35% of proteins in your diet. Fiber. They are generally considered a part of carbohydrates but with a unique function. Eating food rich in fiber will help to maintain your blood sugar levels, proper functioning of bowel movements with a reduced risk of the occurrence of any chronic diseases. It is often referred to as roughage and is included in items such as peas, beans, seeds, nuts, and green vegetables. Carbohydrate. These act as the fuel for our body in the form of glucose to keep it going every day. This basically means that carbs provide our body with energy, and that is why it should cover at least 45% of your total diet. The food items that provide you with the right amount of carbohydrates are whole grains, vegetables, fruits, and legumes such as chickpeas, peanuts, soya beans, and lentils. Fat. It plays an important role in providing energy, regulating body heat, and hormone production. One should consume around 20% of fat on a daily basis. Dairy products such as milk, cheese, and butter are rich in fat. You can also consume it from cooking oil and by eating nuts. Minerals. Calcium, potassium, and iron are some of the essential minerals that you must consume in large quantities to maintain a healthy body. Having dairy products, fish, meat, cereals, fruits, and vegetables will provide you with the right amount of minerals every day. Water. As we all know that our body accounts for 60% of water. So we must maintain our body hydration by drinking lots of water and other water-based beverages. You must consume 2 to 3 liters of water every day for a well-hydrated body. Vitamins. They help in maintaining our body's metabolism and dealing with any sort of chemical reactions in our body. There are different types of vitamins, each of them having a different role to play. However, vitamin A, C, and D are most important for us as they improve the quality of our vision, skin, and bones. You can obtain these vitamins from consuming lots of fruits and green veggies and even from some vitamin supplements. So kids, which of these nutrients do you include in your diet? Do you maintain a balanced diet every day? Share your answers with us in the comment section.